Hey, I'm Dave with QuickJack, and today we're very happy to bring you a brand new series showing work actually getting done on our vehicles using QuickJack. It's something you guys have been requesting for a long time, so we're going to go ahead and get started. This is my 2010 Nissan X-Terra. It's going to be our first project. I'm going to be doing brakes on all four corners today using a BL 5000 SLX model. It's got a 5,000 pound capacity, which is more than enough to lift my X-Terra, which is about a 4,600 pound curb weight. We're also going to be using the QuickJack truck and SUV adapter kit, as I have a little bit of a suspension lift as well as a slightly taller tire on this particular truck. The adapter kit is going to make sure that we get all the lift that we need to make sure all four tires get off the ground. So we'll go ahead and get the QuickJack set up. We've got our tools, we've got the brakes, all the hardware needed. Let's get started. So that's about it for now. Brakes are definitely not the most difficult thing you're going to be doing on your car or truck, but QuickJack is going to save you time and effort on even the simple jobs. Now, we have got a few more projects coming in the weeks ahead, so be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can stay up to date with the latest content. Also, like this video and drop us a comment. Let us know if you like this new series. Also, let us know what's going on in your garage at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.